Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nicholson, a small community just south of Golden that is tucked between the river and the mountains. This place grew as a farming and railway stop, and people have been living and working here since the early 20th century. The Columbia River runs right beside the community, giving it wide open views. The land here has always been tied to simple, steady work. From early homesteads to today's rural lifestyle, people come through for the scenery, the quiet, and the easy access to the outdoors. Whether you're here for a quick stop or just enjoying the view, Nicholson delivers a peaceful break from the rush. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Nicholson, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.